Hi friends, good morning. Let us see our next problem. This problem is actually deriving a small formula. Deriving a small formula for ratio of two trains. Ratio of two trains, that is x is to y. X is to y is equal to root b is to root a, or x by y is equal to root b by root a. X by y is equal to root b by root a. So now we are we are going to derive this formula. That is, we are going to see the proof of this formula. Problem is given in the description box, friends. What is the problem? Two trains A and B start from stations X and Y. Stations X and Y. Two trains A and B start from stations A, X and Y towards each other. After meeting at a point P, they take A hours, comma B hours to reach other ends. So A hours is the time taken to reach this end. B hours is the time taken to reach this end for time B. So now we are going to derive this formula. See friends, let us say the speed of this train A is x, speed of train A is x, speed of train B is small y. Now we are going to find x is to y. Friends, what is the distance between P and Y? What is the distance between P and Y? Distance is equal to velocity into time. Velocity of the train A is x. This takes A hours to reach from P to Y. So the distance between P and Y is equal to velocity into time. Velocity x time A. So x into ax or xa. So the distance between P and Y is ax. In the same way, the distance between P and x is by. The distance between P and x is by. Okay friends, after this, one small conclusion. Since the two trains start at the same time, the time taken by train A to reach this point and the time taken by train B to reach this point are same. So the time, both the times are equal. Since the two trains start at the same time, the time taken by train A to reach this point, the time taken by train B to reach this point are same. So now we are going to do that thing. Time, we are going to equate the times. Time is equal to distance by velocity. Distance by velocity x. Here the distance ax by velocity y. So ax square is equal to by square. X square by y square is equal to b by a, or x by y is equal to root b by root a, or x is to y is equal to root b is to root a. Here the important point is since the two trains start at the same time, the time taken by train A to reach from X to P is equal to the time taken by train B to reach from Y to P. So we are equating the times. Time is equal to distance by velocity. Here the distance by velocity x. Here the distance ax by velocity y. So by simplifying, you get the formula x is to y is equal to root b is to root a. So in our further problems, we are straight away telling the formula x is to y is equal to root b is to root a. Here you have to remember one key point. That key point is, here a is the time taken to reach descent, and B is the time taken to reach descent. To reach descent. That is, A is time taken to reach Y, and B is time taken to reach station X. So that point you have to remember. Sometimes the order may be changed. The order may be changed. So normally order will be A and B order. Sometimes they may reverse the order. For that sake I am telling. So that's all, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.